Living in Manassas, VA, offers residents a blend of suburban charm and historical beauty, but it also comes with unpredictable weather, seasonal storms, and the occasional heavy winds. That's why homeowners in the area are increasingly choosing to install impact-resistant windows. These specialized windows offer more than just aesthetic value. They bring safety, efficiency, and peace of mind. Here's a look at the compelling benefits they provide to Manassas homeowners. Enhanced storm protection. Manassas experiences thunderstorms and strong wind events throughout the year. Traditional windows can easily shatter under the pressure of windborne debris or hail, putting your family and property at risk. Impact-resistant windows are specifically engineered to withstand these conditions. Constructed with multiple layers of laminated glass and reinforced frames, they're designed to remain intact even when struck by flying debris. This resilience significantly reduces the chance of injury from shattered glass and prevents water or wind from entering your home, critical for maintaining the structure's integrity during extreme weather events. Superior home security. Beyond weather threats, impact-resistant windows also act as a strong deterrent against intrusions. The durable glass and reinforced design make it nearly impossible for burglars to break through quickly or quietly. Unlike standard windows that may crack with a single hit, these windows resist forced entry attempts, adding a layer of security that can help protect your loved ones and belongings. For homeowners in neighborhoods across Manassas who value peace of mind, this added protection is a smart and cost-effective investment. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Virginia's climate includes both hot summers and chilly winters, which can strain HVAC systems and inflate energy bills. Impact-resistant windows are often built with low emissivity, low E coatings, multiple glass panes, and gas fills like argon, all of which contribute to superior insulation. By minimizing heat transfer, these windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, which can translate to lower utility bills and a reduced environmental footprint. In the long term, the energy savings can offset much of the installation cost. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Manassas can be lively, whether you live near a busy street, school, or local event venue. Impact-resistant windows do more than protect, they also help create a quieter living environment. Thanks to their multi-layered glass and insulating materials, they drastically reduce the amount of outdoor noise that enters your home. This feature is especially appealing to families with young children, remote workers, or anyone who values a peaceful indoor space. Increased property value and insurance benefits. Installing impact-resistant windows not only improves safety and efficiency, it can also raise your home's value. Prospective buyers in Manassas recognize the value of enhanced security, storm protection, and energy savings, making these windows a great selling point. Additionally, many insurance providers offer discounts on homeowner policies when impact-resistant windows are installed. Since they reduce the risk of storm-related damage, insurers often view these homes as lower risk, which can lead to noticeable annual savings. UV protection to preserve interior. Sunlight can cause irreversible damage to flooring, furniture, artwork, and curtains. Impact-resistant windows are typically designed with UV blocking technology that filters out harmful rays while still letting in natural light. This helps preserve the condition of your interior spaces and protects your investment in home decor. A smart choice for Manassas homeowners. Impact-resistant windows deliver unmatched benefits for homes in Manassas, from year-round safety and comfort to long-term energy and insurance savings. Whether you're upgrading an older home or building new, these windows offer practical, lasting value. If you're ready to fortify your home and enhance your quality of life, consider making the switch to impact-resistant windows. It's an investment in peace of mind that pays off every day.